Welcome to another episode on Lishe Fiti, where we cook, eat and live healthy. So today I just wanted to show you a very simple remedy, home remedy on coughs. Coughs are very common, especially in young children, and it can be very irritating. It can be very uncomfortable for the child. Yet there is something very simple that you can do at home and the cough will be gone. I've done it myself so many times and it has helped my children a lot. And I'll also show you so that you can use it also at home. You'll only be needing 3 things. You need an onion, a piece of clean cloth, and you need a clear foil, a cling film. That is all you need. So what you do, you chop the onion and then you will wrap it around the feet of the child. I'll be showing you that in a minute. Let's chop our onion and then we can move to the next step. I'll be showing you what to do in a second. So you are going to chop your onion into very tiny pieces, like I'm just doing now. Just like that, to smaller pieces. You only need a medium-sized piece of onion. Once you chop the onions, you place them in the clean piece of cloth in the middle, like that. So you're going to need 2 pieces of cloth, like that. So you place them in the middle and then you fold. So you bring this like that and then you fold this side. You bring this side and this side like that, and then you turn it around. Same thing on this as well. You fold it like that, and then you bring it and then you turn it. So this is the side that is going to be on the foot of the child. So once you fold this like this, you're going to put this on the child's foot. I'm going to show you. I'll borrow my daughter for a minute to demonstrate this. So once you have prepared your onion and put it in a piece of cloth like that, this is the side that goes to the foot where there is the thinnest layer. So you put it like that and then you wrap it. You wrap it with this. If you have the traditional paper bags that we used to have previously, you can use those. But in case you don't have, you can just use this. So you wrap it around the leg like that. So this is just to ensure that, to secure this and to also ensure that the liquid from the onion is not flowing to the beddings. Also, remember to keep the feet, the toes outside. Don't tie up the toes. So this is good to go. We then will put on a sock like that. And that is it. That is it. The other leg as well. As you can see, the onion is nicely secured, so it will cover the entire lower part of the foot. Wrap it around again. Simply like that. And put on the sock. This is especially best done in the evening, so maybe before bedtime, because it's at night that children mostly cough. Do this. Within 5 minutes, the baby will be asleep and they will not be coughing anymore. If you do this during the day, yeah, they can just wear their, if you do this during the day, they can just wear this and wear their Crocs and they are good to go. They can walk around with it, it's okay. So with this, the baby can sleep with the onion on, and you can remove it in the morning, and you can get, don't do that. The baby can sleep with this through the night and you can remove it in the morning. You can repeat the same for the day, or you can wait until evening, because mostly it's in the evening that children cough. Stay tuned for more on Lishe Fiti and subscribe. Tell your friends about this so that they can also benefit. See you in the next episode.